Hi my friend, I'm super excited to finally get to share the first part of the December Call 2021 with you. If you want to know more about this secret amigurumi crochet along or how to get access to the PDF pattern, you'll find everything you'll need to know down in the description. In this video, I will show you, as I said, part 1 of our secret amigurumi, which is the head and the neck. Okay, so let's start off with making a magic circle with 4 single crochets. The yarn split at the first chain. Okay, let's do it over again. So 1 chain, 2 chain, and this is how I make my magic circle. So I make 2 chains and then I make 4 single crochets in the second chain from the hook, but you can do it however you prefer. So 2, 3, and 4. This was our first row, and on the second row we are going to crochet 2 single crochet in each stitch. So we are going to increase 4 times until we have 8 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was our last increase, and on the third row we are going to increase 8 times until we have 16 stitches. So 1 increase in each stitch. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah! So on the next row, the 4th row, we are going to crochet in the front loops only. So we are going to crochet... we are going to start off by skipping the next stitch, the following stitch, and crochet 6 half double crochet in the next one. So skip the first one and make 6 half double crochet in the next one, and remember, only in the front loops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more. And then we will skip the next stitch and crochet a slip stitch in the following one. And repeat this 4 times. So we will, at the end of the time, have 4 half circles like this one. So continue with skipping the next stitch and making 6 half double crochets in the following stitch. And this is how it should look after row number 4. So the 4th row is actually divided into 2 parts, the front loop part and the back loops, and we have made the front loop part already, and now it's time for the second part, which is the back loop part. So on the next row of the 4th row, crochet 1 single crochet and 1 increase, and repeat that 8 times until you have 24 stitches, and remember, only in the back loops this time. So this is how your piece should look like after row 4, with both crocheted in the front loops, which are these parts, and in the back loops. So for the 5th row, we are going to crochet 2 single crochets, 1 increase, repeat this 8 times until we have 32 stitches. So, and this row is crocheted in both the front loops and the back loops. So 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1, 2, and now the increase. This is how it should look like after row number 5, and you should now have 32 stitches. So on the 6th row, we are going to again crochet both in the front loops and in the back loops, and we will start off with crocheting in the front loops by skipping the next stitch and crocheting 6 half double crochets in the following one. So skip and in here, and be careful so you go through only the front loop. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and after that we skip the next one and make a slip stitch in the following stitch, like this. And this we will repeat, let me check, 8 times until we have 8 half circles around the round. So let's continue. So skip the next one and make 6 half double crochets in the following one. And this is how it should look like on the back side. So you still have your back loops ready for the second row. So this is how your piece should look like after the row number 6 front loops. So we have still got the back loops to do, and on the back loops we are going to crochet 32 single crochets, so 1 single crochet in each stitch. So for row number 7 and 8 we are going to continue crocheting 32 stitches, so 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so this is how your piece should look like after repeating, let me see, row 6, 7 and 8. So this was our 6th row, and these are the 7th and the 8th row, and then we just continue with making the half circle rows and the in-between rows until we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows with half circles. So this is how it should look like, and you should have always, let me see, 32 stitches on each row. Keep the yarn attached for the second part, which will be available on the 3rd of December. If you want to join the call, go to garnknutan.com/decembercall2021. That way you will get notified when the next part is live and also get your hands on the pattern PDF. Thank you so much for crocheting together with me. I'll see you when the next one is available. Bye!